Amish Tripathi. Do you think anyone would leave a high profile, great paying job in business administration in order to write books? Can you imagine a person becoming an author after doing his MBA from an IIM and having over 15 years of corporate experience? If you like reading books, especially by Indian authors, there is one name that quickly comes to mind is Amish Tripathi. But do you know what made this marketing professional change his career into writing books? And how did he become successful as an author, even without any formal training in writing? Let's take a look at the story of Amish Tripathi and what lessons we can learn from it. Amish Tripathi was born on 18th October 1974 in Mumbai, and he had quite a religious upbringing. His grandfather was a teacher at Banaras Hindu University and he was also a Pandit. They belonged to a middle-class family and they encouraged worldly and religious learning. From an early age, Amish was a voracious reader. One of his favorite subjects was history. Since his interest is in history, he thought of pursuing a career in history. Because he belonged to a traditional middle-class family, he had to choose his career that would support his family. He understood that the value that he would get in return for pursuing his interest did not match. Despite his keen interest in history and longing to become a historian, the unending financial struggle that becoming a historian would mean made him give up his dream. So next, Amish started dreaming of becoming a scientist or a businessman. Amish graduated from St. Xavier's College, Mumbai with science background. He then went on to study business administration. Amish got his MBA degree from IIM Kolkata. After that, he worked in finance and marketing firms for 14 years and climbed to the highest ladders in the corporate world. His last job was as National Head of Marketing and Product Management at IDBI Federal Life Insurance and a member of the Senior Management Committee. During this period, when he was watching a television show, he found that there were contradictions in Indian and Persian myths and legends owing to the portrayal of Indian gods as devs and demons as asurs. It was this contradiction of the concept of good and evil that caught his eye. He set out to determine what exactly was evil. He finally wrote his thesis after becoming encouraged by his family, and shortly after, he turned the thesis into an adventurous story of Shiva. Tripathi took around 5 years to complete the book. Though the TV shows sparked his interest in mythology, to write a book one needs good linguistic skill. And Amish, coming from a business education background, lacked this skill. Yet he took his time and learned the skill to pursue his interest. And today, he got money, name and fame after pursuing his field of interest. According to the Amish, it was never his interest to seek a career in writing books. He's already at the top of his game and is earning really well. It was a childhood interest to become a historian that gave spark to Tripathi's writing career. The Shiva trilogy is the fastest selling series in the Indian publishing history, followed by the Ramchandra series, which is the second fastest selling series in the Indian publishing history. Both of these are written by Amish Tripathi. Amish's story tells us that although it is good to have ambitions and a dream career based on one's interest, one cannot deny the importance of money and a steady paycheck until the dream career takes off. Tripathi did not quit everything he was doing to sit down and write. He instead pursued his dream career along with the job that put bread on his table. His choice of careers thus stands as a curious and unconventional one, but it is nevertheless inspirational.